There's money. Am I supposed to take it? Or add to it?
What does it say?
Share your picture with us. Take a treat, leave a treat. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, I love the color. Okay, look at the interior. I'm not gonna show their license plate, but it's pretty. Weird that I just watched a vlog where all the people were at this greenhouse making bouquets for their wedding bouquet. I don't know what I would say. Learning about florals and weddings and things, and then I'm suddenly stumbling upon it. Home now. This was going to be a solo date vlog, but I obviously ended up meeting my parents and my grandparents out in Los Olivia for wine tasting and a little walk around. They're on vacation, so I'm home alone. So I decided to switch out the little solo diary for hanging out with them, but I will be continuing a little solo diary for you. Don't worry, it's golden hour right now if you can't tell. But the end of the night will just be me solo. My brother will probably be home from work, but he'll probably be upstairs. So we'll see what I get up to. I have lunch. I have the rest of my lunch in my car that I'm gonna have for dinner. So we're not gonna be cooking anything, but I think I might either bake some cookies or put together this sugar cookie gingerbread house type thing that we never did, but my mom had still. So I'll take you along for that. But I hope you've enjoyed some of my clips so far because they were kind of random, didn't plan it, but it's what happened. So we kind of love that. This drive is beautiful. You go through the mountains. At least you could go the freeway, but right now I'm going through the mountains and it's pretty. The sunset is going to be pretty. And you see horses, you see cows, you see sheep, all the things, because we're kind of out in the country of California, at least. I mean, it's not full country vibe, but it's more country vibes than where I live, than Santa Barbara. So we like it a lot. Don't worry, you are propped up. I'm not using my hands to hold you up. See, both hands. We're driving. We're good. Not touching you, not doing anything illegal, I don't think, because I'm not holding you and I'm paying attention to the road. All good things. All good things. The only thing is I'm gonna want music, but no, I'll deal. You're gonna fall, I think. Oh, maybe not. Alright. I look so short. This is, if you thought that I was tall, let it be known, I'm not tall. I'm 5'2", so you're probably seeing that right now and loving that, I'm sure. But yeah, I'm a short girly things. So, like, I'm so short that using this visor doesn't work unless I'm like this. Like, I can't just sit and have it work. I don't need it to be working, but you get what I'm saying. Alright. I don't need to keep yapping on. I will pick you guys back up when I start my little solo date night. I'm gonna let Shay out of her crate when I get home and just hang out and play with her and get her tired out, because we have been pretty horsey, because there's multiple, oh my gosh, can't really show you, sorry, but because she's been sleeping in her crate for the past few hours that I've been gone, so I want to make sure that she gets some enrichment. Yeah. Alright. So, change of plans. My brother wanted pasta because he is here for dinner tonight and he won't be here tomorrow night, so he wanted me to make something. So I'm gonna make some pasta, my cute little sous chef, and then I'm gonna put my half of the sandwich in the fridge and just eat it tomorrow, I guess. But I'm gonna be like really honest with you. I feel so tired. Sorry, my sandwich is like in the way. I feel so tired, so we'll see if I do anything more in depth. I might do something after Shay goes to bed in her crate, although I was thinking of letting her sleep with me in my bed tonight. So maybe I won't. Maybe it'll be tomorrow, and I'll pick this vlog back up tomorrow, just because I'm kind of going with the flow. It's not going the way that I thought it was going to go, and that's fine, because that's life, and that's what I want this channel to be. Is I want it to be real and not always curated. Some of my videos and ideas will be curated. Like, I'm showing up, look at how greasy my hair is right now. That's why I was wearing a hat. I need to shower. But I think, yeah, I hear you, but there's nothing cooking. There's nothing for you to eat, to beg for. I'm sorry, there's nothing. Anyways, as I was saying, I just want to be real and show up as I am. Shay, no. And I feel like this vlog just kind of encapsulates that, because it went 0 of the ways that I thought it was going to go, and that's okay. But I just want to listen to my body, and I don't want to push it. If I'm feeling tired and feeling lazy, then I'm going to respect my body's choice. If I get a second wind, I'll do something. But tomorrow I will be doing some self-care things, so I will take you along, because I'll literally be alone all day. So I feel like the solo diary piece will be tomorrow. This is going to be over 2 days instead of 1, and that's okay. I have a lot that I wanted to get done, but I don't know, I just haven't been feeling awesome, and so I feel like I'm trying to get the motivation when I have it. I filmed this, I filmed my Instagram day in the life, and then I filmed yesterday 4 celebrity outfit recreations for my Instagram, so I feel like I've done a pretty solid job. It's not as much as I wanted to get done. I kind of wanted to use my parents being gone for like crazy amounts of work done, but I think I'm doing an okay job. And then tomorrow I'll be getting 2 reels done, which will be nice. And then I think what I'll need to do is, if I have time and energy, I'll do some F1 outfits for my new F1 outfit series that I'm going to be doing. So if you like F1 and fashion, make sure you give me a follow on Instagram. It's literally just at Eliana Morgan, spelled exactly the same way as here on this channel. And you'll be able to keep up with the Formula One inspired looks that I put together. I'm taking inspiration from all sorts of things, literally like outfits drivers have worn, to team colors, to helmets, to women in F1 type thing, like recreating their outfits, all of the above, and more. So I'm excited about that one, but I just need to kind of get the outfits together, film, and kind of be motivated enough. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon I can get some of those done. We'll see how I'm feeling, because the morning is pretty busy. But I'll take you along, and it'll be like a solo date day situation. So I'll pick you back up if I decide to do anything tonight, but it's unlikely. So it's the next day. Well, actually it's the next night, and I've pulled out the I've pulled out
And I've pulled out the sugar cookie little gingerbread house. I mean, it's not a gingerbread house because it's a sugar cookie house. And we are watching Harry Potter while I do it. So I'm going to put a little time lapse of me making the little house while watching Harry Potter. And that's my little solo date. Before I show you my house, I'm just gonna preface this with one, it actually was great for easing my anxiety, but two, I have no artistic talent whatsoever, which is about to be revealed, so enjoy. I'm gonna show you the best part last. This is my wonderful little beach home. This is why I don't do gingerbread decorating parties right here with anyone else.
All right, have fun.
I'm done.
Right.
But look at the...
Enjoy.
Look at the roof. The roof is pretty.
The side don't look bad.
I think that was the most fun I've had on a solo date yet. Highly recommend doing something like that. I need to find something like that that isn't holiday themed, but that was actually really great at easing anxiety and taking my focus fully on something else, even though I'm horrible at it. So give something like that a try. Maybe I should try like a coloring book. I don't know. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this kind of hodgepodge of a vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.